Hello everyone, my name is Carla Caceres and this is my equipment shopping spree activity. I was given a budget of $500 and I needed to purchase a physical education equipment for a fourth grade class. And so this is my shopping at a glance. I stayed very close to my budget. I ended up spending $496.08. But as you can see that shipping took a big chunk of my budget. It was $65.53. I decided to do my shopping with Gopher Sports because after looking through a few websites, I realized that they have the largest inventory. And so this really just translates to better prices for me and more items to choose from. So my first item that I purchased was basketballs. They were $18.95 a piece, and I bought six of them for $132.65. I am going to address standards 1 and 2 with this basketballs. It's going to be manipulative skills and movement concepts. So the dribbling and the offense and defense knowledge, and also the offensive and defensive space between the players are going to address this standards. So a game of basketball will address the standards in a fun way. My next purchase was jump ropes. I bought two sets of six. Each set was $24.95, so I ended up spending $49.90. I plan to address standards 1 and 3, locomotor movement and aerobic capacity. So by jumping the jump rope, they will increase their aerobic capacity. And in the classroom, we can use it by setting some challenges that they can work towards so they can meet their goals. My next purchase was frisbees, and they were $135 for one set. The set comes with 48 items, and so I plan to address standards 1 and 4, manipulative skills and muscular strength endurance. So by throwing a frisbee distance, maybe working with a partner, they will help them develop the strength in their upper bodies. My last purchase was not necessarily equipment for them to use, but these are essentials that you need in a when you're teaching a PE lesson, which is like markers so the students know where to stand, how far they can go, and also bags to keep your equipment. I mean, some of this equipment is expensive and you want to make sure you take care of it. Well, this is my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.